Greenfield might be a hidden gem for some great golf. Let's walk on through some courses that we're able to find, starting off with Franklin County Golf Center. If you aren't looking for a full round of golf, it's just a place to improve your game here at Franklin. Well, there's about 10 acres, one of the largest ranges in Franklin County, about 16 hitting stations, both mats and natural grass, and it offers about 300 yards of options. Overall, this is definitely not a golf course, but it's one to start us off on this list. Quickly moving us now into Thomas Memorial Golf and Country. This is just 15 minutes away from downtown Greenfield. And this is a 9-hole golf course known for its welcoming atmosphere and affordable rates. It has been built by Walter B. Hatch. It is a par 35 measuring about 2,700 yards with narrow fairways, small and tricky greens, and a unique short game touch. There's been new ownership since April of 2024. And this new ownership, the Snow family, has increased upgrades to the clubhouse and course conditions. It's got a real vibe to it from what it's reading on YouTube and other major golf outlets like Google to see their Google reviews, but it's hard to kind of indicate with this new ownership what the current rating on Google is because you're pulling in some of your old ratings. But it looks to be a very nice facility, and that's why we put it here on this list. Closing us out here is Country Club of Greenfield, a living piece of golf history established in 1896 as one of the oldest golf clubs in the United States. It offers a throwback experience where the layout feels integrated to the Franklin County terrain. This Alex Findlay designed course, the godfather of golf. In 1901, the back nine was added in 1931. So overall, this course dates back to 1901. It's a full experience with some signature holes being number 18. It's definitely one of the top golf courses in this area with some old history. That's going to really be it for this list. Though it is a private golf course, it did sneak on our list here at number 1. Although I'm trying to understand if you can play. It looks like you might be able to. Let us know down in the comment section. We've always wanted to turn this channel into a Reddit type feel in the comment section. So if you have any information on these courses, or if you have another course you want to add to this list, be sure to add it down there. That's it for this video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come.